Scanning the rear view mirror, I do have to make a left turn at the light. So this van, if you see him in the rear view mirror here, he's approaching pretty quick, right? And we're getting close to the intersection, so I'm just going to keep it at 49. Signal as he passes, mirror, left blind spot check. And a long transition from one lane to the other, keeping the signal on, slowing down a little bit, mirror, blind spot check, right over the last little bit of the yellow line right here. Yellow light, and I'm stopping so I can still see the crosswalk line, the furthest one out. If I can't see it, then I'm past that first thick white line, the stop bar. Hands on the wheel. So you got 2 seconds, 1 second, counting the clock there. So I'm going to move ahead and put the front half of my car just past the crosswalk line. That brings the crosswalk line to my shoulder. See that? Right here. Wheels are straight. And I'm looking for a gap, a 6-second gap, large enough so I can make my left turn. My windshield. I'm taking a mental note of this pedestrian approaching the intersection. Could be that he might reach the crosswalk before I can go, so I'd have to yield to the pedestrian if that was the case here. And I'm checking the crosswalk again. He's far enough. So as the last car starts rolling through the intersection, I can start rolling forward. And then it's 50 here. The road conditions are, I don't know, I can go like 45 or so. And right turn, timing of the signal is about here, a little bit before the corner. Scanning left, center. And so a 3-point turn, they're going to ask you to just pull over safely somewhere, so just pick a place, any place. Signal, mirror, right blind spot, check. I'll pull over where you did, right here. Signal left, mirror, shoulder check, crank it. So you can go in a little bit of the beginning of the driveway, all the way to the right, signal right, and 360 scan around your vehicle before you take your foot off the brake. And that's good. Crank it all the way to the left, signal left, into drive, and off you go. Left turn. Here we have no line, we have no sidewalk, so I can bring the nose of my car right out to the edge of where the two roads meet.